So hi guys, we have arrived at our destination. Give thanks and praises to the Most High for a lovely, relaxing, stress-free, safe journey. Okay, and I'm about to give you a room tour because I was unpacking and I had to pause. The sun is about to set momentarily, and yeah, let's see if we can just show you around quickly before the evening comes down on us. So we've already entered the room. Okay, and I really like the color of the door. We've got a fire extinguisher right there. Down there we've got my boots and the umbrella. Same way I treat any other premises like my home. As you come through, you remove your shoes and then I put on my slippers. So I'm still in my traveling clothes, but you shall see that in a moment. So right here to my left, we have the bathroom. I think I'll show you the bathroom last. Yeah, because the sunset issue. And okay, so we've got this temperature gauge for the room. Everything is digital, electronic and so forth. This, yeah, it switches on the room lights. Okay, as you can see, the spotlights has come on. And from this angle, this is the room. So that's my luggage. I'm using the Rock suitcase, two-sided, very good depth. And when you come through, here's the bed. The bed lights up at the bottom. We shall probably see that later on this evening. And you know I'm a fan of art. So look at this beautiful picture. It's textured. It's got rope. It's got pebbles, sand, yeah, wood. So I really like it. The boat is made out of wood. And these are all textured. Those are real stones and pebbles. Beside the bed, we've got the light feature. And again, you've got the featured headboard. It's natural wood. It's lovely. Now, okay, that operates that. And this one, if you're reading, yeah, you can use that. Talking about reading, so yeah, I was unpacking and had to pause. So the books that I've brought with me is, oh, by the way, there's my reading glasses. Timeless Values by Helen Hexley, and Words on Solitude and Silence, because on a solo travel, it's all about me time and it's moment of solitude and silence alone with God to reflect and yeah, rest and recuperation from the rat race, they call it, the hustle and bustle of the London lifestyle, which is very high energy and yep, high pace. So over here we've got the wall mounted TV, flat screen, very good size. Down here fridge, big size fridge. The camera may not do it any justice. It may look smaller on the GoPro than in actual real life. And yes, I've bought one Chardonnay, one Merlot, oats milk. I've got my smoked salmon pate. I've got the walnut, cheese, and some sauces just in case. Okay, so over here, down here, we've got these cute little 9 mini breakfast buns seeded. Okay, and we've bought some snacks with us. So this is lemon drizzle cake. Then yeah, I couldn't finish my Burger King on the train. We've got some curly puffs because I couldn't get the quavers. We've got prune cocktail and cheese and onion over there. So you've got the kettle facility and extra shelving down there. So guys, you don't normally have to self cater. Unfortunately, the restaurant, I believe the chef is on leave at the moment, or yeah, so you can order takeaway. They do have a well-stocked fridge with all of your snacks and drinks, etc. And the Just Eat app works perfectly well down here. There's lots of restaurants, your sport for choice. I love this mirror, this large featured mirror. Okay, so you can see the travel clothes, and the reason why I tend to wear all covered travel clothes, so none of my skin is touching anything. And I've got an extra catsuit underneath because I weren't sure what the weather was going to be like. So now what I do is remove the outside layer and tie it off in a bag. And yes, I've got the full body catsuit, yeah, so I can then lounge around in that. You've got the complimentary coffee, tea, they've got milk there and everything, sweetener, the Ice Valley water, love it, full of minerals. So, oh, I'm really taking a liking to this long floor to almost ceiling, but the woodwork on the frame and the design is absolutely fabulous. Okay, so let's go over this side, and yep, the his and hers lights, and it operates. And again, you can position it 360, you see. Another lovely piece of artwork. This is, it looks like acrylic and oil painting. It's also got a lot of texture. This is so nice. I must ask them which gallery they got this from. And you've got your Alexa system. As you can see, it's actually encouraging me to play some music, and it was saying tell Alexa to play Kendrick Lamar or what have you. It just, and this system is so good because you can play games. There's lots you can do with it. Okay, there's my guy Ed Sheeran. You guys know I'm old school, so I do struggle with technology. Okay, so you've got Amazon calendar. It basically works as well as any smartphone. You've got utility, social, smart home, because everything works off Alexa as well as manually, for those who are not familiar with the voice commands. Okay, so you've also got lots of games. There's so much you can do with this. Then check the weather, social. Okay, you get the general idea. Yeah, so top drawer, it's for my chargers and everything. They've got so many charging points around. What does this do? Okay, it may be for the decking outside. I wonder what all of this is. Maybe that operates with that, I'm not sure. Okay, moving on. Yes, although this is a rest and recuperation, but old habits die hard. I've bought the laptop, the tablet, 2 phones. One is the emergency phone, should in case I need to be reached. Then we've got all of the vlogging equipment, the selfie stick, as well as the octopus, lights, mics, GoPro, extra batteries, and yeah, look what broke on my way down here, so I'm gonna have to just fit it in there, get some super glue, and we're good to go. I've got another book here which I was reading on the way down, and it's by William E. Bailey, and it's Rhythms of Life. Very nice indeed. I've bought my incense because I'm going to be doing my meditation in the mornings. Sit, look out onto the lake, look out at the trees, and yeah, just work on my breathing meditation. Okay, so we've got the dressing area. Now I haven't unpacked everything because I'm just putting what I need for today and tomorrow, essentially. I don't want to overwhelm myself, and I don't like clutter, so I didn't want to, you know, pack all of the pole with the clothing. At the top you've got the hair dryer. It was down here, but because I'm not using it, I've put it up top. And you've got the toiletries, etc, etc. The drawers are pretty deep. Okay, so in here all of the delicates and what have you goes there. Then you've got your socks, which is easy to reach, and those are my yoga and fitness wear. That's why it's there. At the top, we've got cosmetics, you've got your hair products, we've got nail clipper, scissors, magnifying glass, lint brush, belt, and yeah, bonnet, gloves, and so forth. Oh, lovely. Thank you, Body Shop. They gave me some products to try, and I think it's a facial serum, and see how I go. I've also got my pollution protect sheet mask and skincare wipes, etc. I've bought 2 nail varnish. So the transparent one is for my hands and the navy blue is for my toes. Yeah. So the iron is down there, and you've got a good, decent size ironing board. It's lovely, it's colourful. I've hung my coat and my scarf there. Okay, so lovely drapes, blackout curtains. And let me take you guys out on the porch. Oh, I'm so loving this artwork. Let me take you out on the porch before, oh, that is the porch lights, before it gets too dark. The door is very secure. You can double lock it and put this on as well, although we've got lovely mat down here. Look how big the mat is. So you can imagine, you can use it, sit on it, meditate. And yeah, this is the veranda. It's got the seating area. It's really large, very large indeed. That's how it looks like at the top. And in the night, this is all lit. So yeah, you just walk out here and look. You can see the sun is just about starting to set. And if you listen carefully, you can already hear the sound of nature. You can hear the ducks, the birds. I am surrounded by tranquility and the beauty of nature all round. There's different lakes, there's quite a few. I think this may be lake number 3. But during my stay, I will be taking you around and we'll be doing some exploring. Yeah. But the whole purpose of this is for me to just relax, relax, relax. Okay, so lovely chairs as well. And yeah, let's show you the bathroom. Again, I really do appreciate the modern features that is in the bathroom. Oh, by the way, I bought a throw from home. You don't need to. They do have throws should you need it. But this is really, really cozy, and I know I'm going to be sat out there later reading my book with a nice chilled Chardonnay. So yeah, let's go this way. With the bathroom, I like it because you can turn on the lights, but it's got its own sensory. When you come in, it turns on itself, you see? And it is so large. It's large, it's spacious, you can hear the echo. So when you come in, you've got a Bluetooth mirror. You can listen to music in here. You can set it up with your smartphone feature. You can play your playlist. It's also set up with Alexa, so you can ask Alexa to play whatever music whilst you're in here. I am really liking the vanity. I like it. Look at the color, it's different. And yeah, the tap moves around. Yeah, love it. But I did bring my Ted Baker. It's pretty heavy. I've got to unpack that as well because it's got Ted Baker products and quite a few bits in there. So that's how it's looking here. The lavatory is just as you come into your left, which is handy. Okay, if you're in a hurry to go. The bath is large. It's so nice. Love the taps actually. Oh, I see. Fancy schmancy. This is the, I believe this operates the shower. So it's a walk-in shower and it's pretty large. And yeah, you've got your non-slip mats. You've got the rainfall shower head. Lovely light, bright in here. The tiles looks fantastic. Oh, I also bought my Radox and yeah, some wash bits and shower cap. And yeah, okay. So, got places to hang any wet items or any washed items. And yeah, nice and warm in here as well. You've got the radiator, but they've got underfloor heating. So yeah, this is the bathroom, and you've got extra toilet paper there and everything. Okay, so that concludes our room tour, and I'm just going to get out of the you just close the door and the light and the vent switches off itself. So yeah, this is the room tour, and I'm going to change out of my traveling clothes and just relax on the deck and watch the sunset. Okay guys, hope you've enjoyed the room tour, and I shall see you soon.